Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Out here doing another update on our project in Independence, Missouri. Just to give another brief overview, this project was originally just supposed to be a block foundation renovation job, and what that entails is after clearing the pre-existing block walls of any kind of loose debris, we will staple wire mesh to the wall, top to bottom, corner to corner, wherever accessible, and then once that wire is attached, we will use our King Piers blend of high strength mortar. And as you can see, top to bottom, corner to corner, we'll coat those walls. And once that mortar has dried, we will come out with our white waterproofing paint and do a final coat over the walls. So we got the walls all taken care of on Saturday. Unfortunately, this project ended up being a lot more in-depth than just the renovation job. In here, inside the main basement room, before we started getting the wire on the walls, there was some wood paneling covering up this entire front wall of the house, and there was also paneling covering up this section also. So what we had to do is fully expose that wall, but when we did that, and I really encourage people to go back and look at our first few videos out here, we had a situation where the pre-existing cinder block was starting to cave in. You could see daylight, the sill plate was rotted out, so we've replaced that. It was in really bad shape. Instead of repairing it, however long ago the previous owners had the house, they erected a new cinder block wall, basically about this far out, that was in itself also caving in. So we had to do a lot of emergency work to make sure that the foundation was fully repaired. We couldn't do a renovation on that. We had to rebuild the cinder block and get it back where it needed to be to make sure that the home was properly supported. So that's where a lot of the extra time on this project ended up going. But it looks great. We were able to get everything finished up on Saturday. This is one of those projects where, you know, we don't take the easy way out on one of these. We don't just stack the cinder blocks, mortar in between the seams, and call it good. We have rebar throughout. We fill each individual hole in each individual block with that high strength concrete, because we're going to maximize the structural stability of these new cinder block walls. We want to make sure that the home is properly supported. Now it is. We have just a little bit more painting to get taken care of here. We got a couple sections on the wall still left to do, and then the floors. So we got everything cleaned up on Saturday. So now we'll spend a couple hours out here tomorrow to get the last little bit of paint done. We'll extend the white paint onto the new cinder block, and the floor will be tinted gray. So stay tuned for the final updates. Again, you'll be able to find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly at 1-816-288-4373.